How to remove comments on Instagram Live. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. If you're using an older version, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and update the app before proceeding. Now, open the Instagram app and start a live video. To do this, go to the profile, tap the plus icon at the top of the screen, then select Live. Once you are ready, tap the button to go live. After your live session has started, you will see comments appearing at the bottom of the screen. After you are live, other people will join your live too. At the bottom left-right, you will see all the comments from your live. If you want to remove an unwanted comment, tap and hold the comment. This will open a pop-up menu and you will see an option to remove the comment. Tap Remove and the comment will no longer be shown. If you want to disable comments completely, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. A menu will appear with an option that says Turn off commenting. Tap on it and comments will be disabled immediately. Once you have turned off commenting, you will notice that the option now changes to Turn on commenting. This means that comments are currently disabled and viewers will no longer be able to send messages in the live chat. That's how to remove comments on Instagram Live.